Welcome to Remedies OPD Management Software Demo. Let's see about Remedies software. The precise solution gives you the perfect contribution. Remedy software is developed in latest technology, that is .NET technology. Remedy software you can install on desktop computer and on laptops. Also you can install on all Microsoft Windows OS. That means it's used on Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 of 32-bit and 64-bit. Remedies is made in very impressive graphical interface like Windows 10. You can use Remedies in multiple languages like English, Hindi, Marathi, Kannada. Each and every patient information history you can save and search very easily and handily. You can give prescription report matter to the patient in English, Marathi, Hindi, Kannada languages in one click. Besides, patient needed certificates like sickness, fitness, and referral certificate you can give in one click. Let's we see more information of Remedy software. First, double click on desktop Remedies icon. Software will be start. Now see login screen. Input your username and password. Again select your today working date. Click on login button. If your username and password is incorrect, then you will not access or open your software. Now see main screen of window. Mainly you taken or installed version is indicating here. A Remedy software is icon driven software and it's appear Windows 10 style.
Now we see master icon information. Click on master icon. In this master, you can keep patient information, medicine information, test information, accounting information, and also various form related master informations. First we see about patient master. Click on patient master. Here we can see all of patient information. This information from patient name to family structure, address, birth date, blood group, occupation, marital status, up to allergies. You can feed in this patient master and also you can anytime edit and delete this information. In additional patient photos attachment facility is provided here. At the time of adding new information of patient, here is provided family selection and family creation because of aggregative billing. That means some places a family member goes to same doctors, so they give together fees of treatment, mostly in village. So you can manage and take patient fees by single patient and all family member fees together. That's regarding forms and reports are available like dues collection, pending and etc. Case paper facility also included in this software. So you can easily manage case paper details of each and every patient. Next, see about Medicine Master. Click on Medicine Master. Beforehand, 65,000 medicines are fed with medicine content, brand, strength, price, etc. So you can use it, edit and delete it. And also you can add new medicines here. Similarly, Account Master is also provided. So you can manage your account details. Here is also default account are provided for profit loss, balance sheet, daybook report. User master is provided here. You can change username and photos here.
Now we see about treatment. For your daily OPD, you need for this treatment form. Every information need for treatment is provided is in one page. Now look at this patient waiting list is here. This list is generated after creating case paper and also from reception counter desk. Which patient waiting outside of cabin. Searching facility is available here. Here is displaying already appointment patient list. You can manage this schedule from appointment form. Now click on any one patient from waiting list or appointment list for continued treatment, and also type or input of patient name. After filling patient name, it shows case paper details. New case paper visit again and renewal notification indicates here. You can manage case paper scheme here. Input case paper amount. Click on submit button. If any allergy of patient, then click on allergy button. See patient allergy here. Now you can see patient history here. Look at this list of old treatment. It shows dates. Click on any one. See ahead old treatment diagnosis information here. You can see treatment related multiple photos and also old case paper photos here. New treatment multiple photos and old case paper photos attachment facility is provided here. Now go back on treatment form. Now fill next information like complaints and diagnosis. When you type any text, then help will come automatically in below list. And also you can choose from this list. Also you just here type any language, then click on language selection and text same as other text or select from help list. Next search medicine here. Type any drug's name or type and also with all other details using smart search and full search. Same input other information. Select yes no from stock, then click on insert button. Same as you can insert multiple medicines here. In additional facility you can add medicine template from here. That's you already sets in medicine template master. Also treatment advice you can give and next follow date also. Below input payment details like bill amount, discount and other amounts here. Treatment and pathology previous dues are displaying here. Lastly, you need to save whole information, then click on add button. Information will save. Now take prescription report, click on report button. It came in PDF format. Print this or mail to patient as per requirement. This prescription report matter managed from report setting for which matter need to print or not, and also by which type. And also advertisement is displaying here. This advertisement is managed from software setting. These settings, prescription settings, you can manage from report setting page. If patient needs statement, then you can print from here. Search data in between dates or also print it. Again, you can give diet chart from here. Select product contents like do, don'ts occasionally. And more details and save chart. And also you can print of already saved diet chart from here. Also, if patient age came in vaccination time, then you create vaccination chart here. This vaccination chart you can manage from vaccination master. Now if you need old treatment data, then click on find records. Let's see from date search or text search, select which you want for details, edit, delete or report it.
Now let's see about vaccination chart. Click here. If patient age is came in vaccine time, after selecting patient chart will came below. You can select and change chart as per patient diagnosis and add to save it, and also print it or change it step by step as per patient next vaccine date. You can see other vaccination for print, edit or delete it. Patient appointments you can manage here. Appointments are automatically displaying in treatment form. Sickness and fitness. Here patient referral, sickness and fitness certificate you keep and give to patient as per need.
Now see about pathology lab. You can keep patient pathology analysis test here. Select patient, select test by searching facility, default by group, input group name and select any one test or test group select, then automatically other test will be selected. So click on insert button. Like this you can add multiple tests here. In additional, test template facility is provided here. You can manage this template from test template master. Now input test values in green column. When you input values, result will display ahead as like normal below above. Below test amounts automatically calculate from test master. You can manage amount from test master, input amount, discount and others. Lastly, save all data, click on add button. You can find old test data, search and select any one for print, edit and delete. Now see about patient dues. Patient related dues collection you can use from dues collection. Select patient and input received amount here and click on add dues. Also, you can take all family members fees together here. Click on show dues, input received amount here. Click on fill amount and add dues on click on add dues. Like this, you can add all family members fees together.
Now see about accounts. You can manage your payment receipt here. Select account, input amount and insert. Same you can insert multiple payment receipt at a time, and all amount click on add button for save. You can take print here. Also you can find old receipt payments here. Search and select any one for print, edit and delete. One important thing is treatment pathology and from account all amount related calculation you can see in daybook. Daybook shows you your daily work process in receipt and payment. You can see in graphically with various graphs. Zoom facility is provided. Balance sheet is shows your whole work, expense and income in below list and graphically. See software settings means hospital information. You can edit it and save it. Prescription advertisement facility is provided with text and also image. Next, address book. You can save your all contact details here. Here you can add your events. That's all remains in front of main page. That all slide one by one. Also here patient and from contact lists, birthdays, anniversary reminders. Also slides here. You can see in gallery also. Lastly, see this skin list. Select anyone you want from this list and change whole software skin effect and work with any skin as you choose. If you need to understand how to use or operate any form, so here video help is provided. Click on video button.
रेमेडीज या सॉफ्टवेअरमध्ये आपले स्वागत आहे. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत ट्रीटमेंट या फॉर्मबद्दल.
And see related forms video.
Remedy software is provided automatically updates, so you will get automatic updates of our new features. Your whole work data you can store in Remedies very secure and safe for lifetime. You can take Remedies in 3 versions, that is basic, silver and gold. Choose any version as per your convenience for better and perfect hospital work. For more information, contact to our Remedies representative and book Remedies software copy. Thank you very much for your giving valuable patient from Digital Info System. Thank you.